Hi, good day. Welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money with your financial strategist, Naomi Show. Thank you for logging in. And yes, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would advise that you do so now. And if the topic that I'll be speaking about today reaches out to you, is something that you love, I would advise that you share it with those that you care of. So today's episode is a very special one. As we celebrate Mother's Day, I want to take a moment to honor and appreciate mothers everywhere for their love, sacrifice, strength, dedication, and endless hard work. Mothers do so much behind the scenes that often goes unnoticed. And you would agree with me. They are caregivers, providers, teachers, protectors, encouragers. And many times they are carrying all of these while also trying to manage finance, building stability, and create a better future for their children. So today, this conversation is for every mother doing her best. Let's go into it. Motherhood is one of the greatest responsibilities in the world. Many mothers putting their children first, and I sure you can testify to that. Sacrifice personal ones. We always sacrifice personal ones. Stretch every dollar. Carry emotional and financial pressure quietly. And despite that challenge, they continue showing up every single day with love and determination. To every mother listening today, your hard work matters. Your sacrifice matter. Your efforts matter. Even what is felt, even when it feels difficult, you are planting seeds your children will benefit from for years to come. Mothers are often the financial backbone of the home, whether working professionally, managing a business, caring for children full time, or balancing multiple responsibilities. Mothers are constantly making financial decisions. And you would agree with me. And while motherhood comes with expenses, it does not mean your financial goals have to disappear. You can still build savings, reduce debt, invest gradually, plan for retirement, build generational wealth. It may take time, it may require discipline, but it is possible. Sometimes mothers feel discouraged because progress feels slow, but wealth is not built overnight. Generational wealth grows through small, consistent steps, intentional decisions, wise habits repeated over time. Even small actions matter. Creating a budget, saving consistently, planning your meals, meal prepping, guys, is important. Purchasing wisely, reducing unnecessary spending. Look at what you buy on a day to day basis and identify one thing that you literally buy every day. And if you stop buying that one item, which probably is not a need, it's a want, and you stop buying just that one item every day, see how much you can save. Teaching children financial discipline. These small actions, small seeds eventually produce great harvests. One of the greatest foundation for financial success is the mindset we carry. And today, I want to encourage every mother with four powerful principles. Gratitude, you know me, I love it. Gratitude, contentment, faith, and discipline. So let's go. Gratitude. Be thankful for where you are, even while working toward more. Gratitude helps us appreciate progress instead of only focusing on what is missing. Contentment. Contentment is not giving up on goals. It is learning to live wisely and peacefully while building steadily. Avoid unnecessary compromise and pressure. And I will tell you, building steadily, you will notice more growth than when you rush it. Let's move on to faith. Faith reminds us that difficult seasons are not permanent. Keep believing that your consistency, hard work, and sacrifice will produce results. And finally, discipline. Discipline is what transforms dreams into reality. The small daily financial decisions you make matter more than occasional big moments. Consistency builds legacy. Generational wealth is not only about money, it is also about values, wisdom, habits, character, financial understanding. Children learn from what they see. When mothers demonstrate responsibility, discipline, faith, wise financial habits, they are shaping future generations. They are shaping future generations. Even if you feel your progress is small, never underestimate the impact of what you are building. As we close, to every mother listening today, be proud of yourself. You are not always feeling seen. Like you may not always feel seen. You may not. You may feel tired sometimes. I know that. I do feel so sometimes. You may wonder if your efforts are enough. But your consistency, your love, your sacrifice are making a difference. I'll say this one again. Your consistency, your love, and your sacrifice are making a difference. Keep going. With gratitude, contentment, faith, and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and build wealth that impacts generations to come. Happy Mother's Day to all incredible mothers. May you continue to walk in strength, wisdom, peace, and purpose. Have a blessed day. Bye and happy Mother's Day once again.